André-Marie Ampère was a brilliant French scientist, born on January 20, 1775 in Lyon, France. He is best known for his work in the field of electromagnetism, a branch of physics that deals with the relationship between electricity and magnetism. His discoveries and ideas laid the foundation for much of the technology we use today. His work was so important that the unit of electric current, the ampere, is named after him. From a young age, Ampère showed an interest in science and mathematics. His father, a lawyer, was a supportive figure in his life, encouraging his studies and providing him with books and materials to help him learn. However, Ampère's life was not easy. He faced personal struggles, including the tragic loss of his father at a young age. Despite these challenges, he continued his studies with great dedication. As a teenager, Ampère was a gifted student, especially in mathematics and natural philosophy. He spent a lot of time reading and studying the works of famous scientists such as Isaac Newton and Jean-Baptiste Biot. He was particularly fascinated by the idea that electricity could produce magnetism, a theory that was being explored at the time by other scientists. Ampère's interest in this subject grew stronger, and he began to conduct experiments of his own. One of Ampère's most significant contributions to science came in 1820, when he made a groundbreaking discovery. A Danish scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted had shown that an electric current could produce a magnetic field. This discovery fascinated Ampère, and he began to investigate the relationship between electricity and magnetism further. Ampère conducted many experiments, and in doing so, he discovered that electric currents could not only produce magnetic fields, but also interact with other currents. He showed that two parallel electric currents would either attract or repel each other, depending on the direction of the currents. Ampère's discovery was a key moment in the history of physics. It helped scientists understand that electricity and magnetism were related forces, and it led to the development of the field of electromagnetism. This was a major step forward in our understanding of how the physical world works, and it paved the way for later discoveries, such as the development of the electric motor and the invention of the telegraph. In 1827, Ampère published a book titled Mémoires sur la théorie des phénomènes électrodynamiques, which explained his theories about electromagnetism in detail. The book was an important contribution to the field of physics, and was widely read by other scientists. Ampère's work was highly respected, and he became one of the leading scientists of his time. His ideas were also influential in the development of the concept of the electromagnetic field, which later became central to the work of famous physicists like James Clerk Maxwell and Albert Einstein. Ampère's work in electromagnetism was not his only contribution to science. He also made important discoveries in the field of chemistry and mathematics. He helped develop a system of chemical symbols, and contributed to the study of the structure of matter. Ampère also made advancements in the field of differential equations, a branch of mathematics that deals with functions and their rates of change. Although Ampère's work was highly influential, he faced some difficulties during his career. For example, he struggled to find financial support for his research, and at times, his work was not fully appreciated by the scientific community. However, Ampère's passion for science and his dedication to his work kept him going, and he continued to make significant contributions to the world of physics and mathematics. Ampère was a professor at the Collège de France, where he taught mathematics and physics. His lectures were well attended, and many of his students went on to become prominent scientists themselves. Despite the challenges he faced, Ampère remained focused on his research and continued to push the boundaries of knowledge. In recognition of his contributions to science, Ampère was elected to the French Academy of Sciences, one of the highest honors a scientist can receive. He also became a member of many other scientific societies around the world, and his work was widely acknowledged and celebrated. Sadly, André-Marie Ampère passed away on June 10, 1836, at the age of 61. His death marked the end of an era in the field of electromagnetism, but his legacy lived on. Today, his name is still remembered in the world of science, and the unit of electric current, the ampere, continues to honor his groundbreaking work. Ampere's contributions to our understanding of electricity and magnetism remain vital to the development of modern technology, from electric motors to the communication systems that power the world. Ampere's story is a reminder that scientific progress often comes from the dedication and curiosity of individuals who are willing to explore the unknown. Even in the face of personal challenges, André-Marie Ampère's passion for discovery allowed him to make a lasting impact on the world. His legacy serves as an inspiration to future generations of scientists, showing that with perseverance and a love for knowledge, great achievements are possible. In conclusion, André-Marie Ampère was a scientist whose work changed the world. His discoveries in electromagnetism helped shape the future of technology and continue to influence modern science. His life was one of dedication, curiosity, and a deep commitment to understanding the natural world. Though he faced many obstacles, Ampère's contributions to science will never be forgotten.